Awnings. All units are equipped with electrical awnings which use 12-volt battery power. The switch is located near the entry door near the steps. In the unlikely event that the awning will not extend or retract, ensure that the engine is off, the parking brake is engaged, the keys are removed from the ignition, and that the auxiliary battery is charged and on. Next, check the fuses in the fuse box and verify that they are all in good condition. Never leave the awning in the extended position unattended. When leaving the vehicle or retiring for the evening, always retract the awning to prevent damage. Do not extend the awning during rain or windy conditions. Should damage to the awning occur, manually retract the awning and secure it to the unit prior to driving. If you cannot secure the awning yourself, seek professional service to assist you in removing or securing the awning. Professional service may be hired at the renter's expense. If unable to secure professional service, remove the awning from the RV prior to driving. If the damage occurred due to a third party, collect their contact and insurance information and report the incident to the on-the-road care team immediately.